My name is Cesar Gidroni B. Miguel and I'm a content writer for Philkotse.com. Andito kami ngayon para i-quick drive ang 2021 Nissan Navara. The 2021 Nissan Navara is a mid-cycle refresh. So while maraming features na bago, maraming mga other features na the same with the outgoing model. While we say that many features are similar with the outgoing model, Nissan has been working hard in improving the styling and technology of the 2021 Nissan Navara. But before we dive into the quick drive, remember, Philkotse is the #1 car portal in the Philippines. And of course, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want more up-to-date car news and car reviews, click that notification bell. So now, samahan niyo ako sa quick drive ng 2021 Nissan Navara. Let's go! Sa harap, may mas aggressive design ang 2021 Navara Facelift. It is reminiscent of the Nissan truck models in the United States, especially with regards to its humongous grille. We particularly like the LED headlamps kasi they provide a futuristic look for the truck. It has a total of 4 LED clusters which can provide great illumination at night. Pinapalibutan naman ang headlights ng angular daytime running lights that look similar to the ones found on the Patrol facelift in Dubai. Below that, on both sides of the front are fog lights, and further down below is a bumper with fall recovery hooks. Yes, for aesthetics lang sila, but they add to the macho look of the Navara. Towards the sides, di masyado nagbago ang facelifted model. The roofline and the character lines remain the same, but the 2021 Navara does get a new set of 18-inch alloy wheels. Ang side mirrors naman are also integrated with turn signal indicators, and on the bottom sides of the side mirrors are cameras for the 360-degree view. Para mas madaling mag-enter and exit sa Navara, it also gets a sturdy side step board. Moving on sa rear part ng Navara, the taillight clusters are now LEDs. Meron din itong C-shaped LED lighting element that might prove to make the truck more visible at night time. Also new on the facelift is the spoiler-like shape on top of the tailgate. There's also the very visible crease which adds more flavor to the rear end. Kung bubuksan mo ang tailgate, mas magaan ito than the outgoing model. The top spec variant gets a number of tie-down hooks all around, as well as 4 adjustable odd rails tie-down clamps. Getting in and out of the bed is also easy since the Navara gets a lower rear stepboard. At maximum, the bed can carry up to 1,024 kilograms. That's more than a ton. That's an impressive amount considering its multi-link coil-over suspension system. More on that later. Inside, most of the facelifted Navara's interior features are a carryover from the previous model. The dash is still made out of this textured plastic material, and the arrangement of the air conditioning controls were not changed. Nevertheless, the interior pieces feel sturdy and they look like they could take a beating. Ang steering wheel naman, bago. Mas sportier niya at saka mas slender ang shape niya compared to the old one. It also feels great to grip on, and it is covered in non-slippery leather. Para komportable ang occupants ng Nissan Navara, the front cabin gets a soft elbow rest which opens up to a sizable container. Ang door cards din are clad in a mix of soft touch materials and sturdy plastic. Seating is manually adjustable and the steering wheel can only be adjusted for tilt. Ang hindi lang namin nagustuhan sa interior ay yung piano black plastic surrounding the gear shift lever and AC button controls. Medyo dust magnet kasi. Moving on to the infotainment system, the Navara is equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also has Bluetooth streaming and USB connectivity. The said infotainment system is linked to a 6-piece speaker system. Moving on to the rear, space is decent enough for 3 adults. Legroom is alright, as with elbow room. For safety, this mid-size truck is equipped with a 360-degree view camera and front and rear parking sensors. Maliban sa parking, matagol mo rin ang camera to provide different exterior views. Magagamit mo rin ito for off-roading. For occupant safety, The 2021 Navara gets dual front airbags, anti-lock braking with electronic brake force distribution, vehicle dynamic control, traction control, and stability control. Standard din ang ISOFIX, and it also gets security alarm and an engine immobilizer. Ang higher-end trims ng facelifted Navara, meron ding Nissan Intelligent Mobility Suite. This includes driver attention warning, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, hill start assist, hill descent control, and syempre, meron ding cruise control. As a facelift, the 2021 Nissan Navara uses the same turbocharged 2.5-liter diesel engine that can make up to 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. The Pro-4X variant that we're driving uses the aforementioned engine combined with a 7-speed gearbox, but also a 6-speed manual is available. The other engine option is a differently tuned 2.5-liter diesel that makes 163 horsepower and 403 Nm of torque. For drivetrains, the Navara comes available with a 4x4 and a 4x2. We're here sa loob ng 2021 Nissan Navara, and now we'll give you our driving impressions. To start off, the steering. It feels responsive and direct, and the new steering wheel itself feels good to the touch. Saka well arranged na rin yung buttons compared to the previous version. And moreover, let's go to the seats. Kaya ako pinadala ng Philkotse kasi wide boy ako eh. But despite that, I feel bolstered. Saka soft naman and comfortable ang seats. Doon sa Paway Sand Dunes, maraming lateral movement. Pero I didn't feel as if natatapon ako. Let's talk about ride comfort. Dahil multi-link coil-over suspension ang gamit ng Nissan Navara, it's unlike any of the other pickup truck models in the Philippine market. Yung iba kasi uses leaf spring suspension. So ang Nissan Navara, they perfectly balances comfort and utility. And lastly, let's talk about road noise. Siyempre, dahil all-terrain tires ang default tires ng gamit ng Pro-4X Nissan Navara, medyo may konting road noise naman. But it's not disturbing, it's not too much. Pero kung bigyan mo rin ng konting gas yung engine, talagang maririnig mo yung hum ng engine. When it comes to acceleration, once you press the pedal, abrupt naman ang response ng engine. So, overtaking is easy. Kung gusto nyo makita lahat ng variants ng 2021 Nissan Navara at saka yung mga prices nila, check out the video description box below. What do you think, guys? How will the 2021 Nissan Navara fare against its competitors sa current marketplace ngayon? Alam niyo na guys, competitive ang pickup truck market ng Philippines ngayon. May bago ng D-Max, na-update na rin ang Hilux. But if you want a more detailed review ng 2021 Nissan Navara, do check out our website, Philkotse.com. This is Cesar Gidironi Bibigel, and thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Philkotse, the country's #1 online car portal.